Hi guys, I'm Liam from Chimera Wargaming stuff and welcome back into another video. In today's video we're going to do an unboxing of this Green Stuff World box. I don't know what's inside as usual and we're going to find out together. Let's go. I can't believe it. Whoa. I'll take the black one. This one is for Stefano. This is so sick. So we have some colors. This one we didn't have the shade. It's mint twister, a crackle paint. They are always fantastic. Then our wash ink, ensign sepia, pale flesh acrylic color. Really nice one. We did have a flesh color, but that one is lighter. Tropical turquoise. Whoa, I can't believe it. A LED lamp. I can't believe it. And then we have a patina set. This is for the rust effects, you know. Yeah, Stefano will love this. I want to try them too. Okay, another sticker. I have the t-shirt or the other logo. We also have the t-shirt with the heart shaped, the steampunk heart. The last one, a painting set. There are 48 acrylic inks to do the washing of the miniatures. This is perfect. So that's it. This was the unboxing. I really love the caps and the LED lamp. Really, thank you Green Stuff World. We love you and thank you guys for watching the video. I really recommend the Green Stuff World acrylic inks. They are awesome. And that's it. This was the unboxing. Thank you again and see you soon. Goodbye.